Namaskar. Honorable Kailash Sir, Sibilal Sir, Jayaprakash Sir, respected Chief Executive Director P. N. Ocha Sir, Senior VP Umesh Tiwari Sir in HO, regarded Arun Kumar Dubey Sir, our sitting VP in our plant site. Now we discuss Lean Brine. In Lean Brine, generally we are getting 10.65 mgpl of chlorine. So that is 10.65 mgpl of chlorine. Means it is 10.65 gram per m3. Now we will discuss generally in chloralkali plant you are using SBS powder. SBS for sodium sulfide, SS sodium sulfide, NaSO3 or Na2SO3. In place of this salt, we can use 10 gpl of SO2 gas solution to kill 10.65 gram of free chlorine in 1 ml of lean brine. So in SO2 plus water, it gives sulfurous acid H2SO3. Its molecular weight is 64, its molecular weight is 82. Then if we will 64 is equal to 82, 1 is equal to 82 by 64. We will use 10 gpl into 10 is equal to 12.88. It is as a H2SO3. Now we will prepare 10 gpl of SO2. Means 10 grams of SO2 in 1 liter solution we will prepare. So this is 10 grams of SO2 gives this 12.8 grams of as a H2SO3. So now we will calculate in 10 gpl of SO2 how much chlorine it will kill. Then now you see here chlorine plus H2SO3 plus water. It is in Lean Brine reaction. It gives 2 HCl plus H2SO4. So you see here it is molecular weight is 71. It is molecular weight is 82. Then 71 grams of chlorine will be removed by 82 grams of sulfurous acid. Then 1 is equal to 82 by 71. Then our in Lean Brine there is 10.65 grams of free chlorine in 1 ml. Then 10.65 or take it as 11 gram. 11 gram is equal to 82 by 71. 11 is equal to it will come 7 gram. 12.7 grams of sulfurous acid. So here chlorine is a strong oxidizing agent, and SO2 is a strong reducing agent. So SO2 is a resonance of hybrid. Resonance hybrid. It is a resonance hybrid of two structure. How it is SO2 is a molecule of resonance hybrid of two structure. Its dipole moment is 1.63 dB, and it is electron affinity is 105 electron volt. So when it reacts with chlorine in presence of water, SO2 plus chlorine plus water, it gives 2 HCl and H2SO4. 10 grams SO2, that means 10 GPL SO2, it gives 82 GPL of H2SO3. It is a new suggestion for chloralkali plants that in place of SBS or sodium sulfide powder, we can prepare a 10 GPL SO2 solution, and we can use in Lean Brine, which is having 10.65 or around 11 mgpl. 11 mgpl means 11 grams per MQ, means 1 liter of SO2, 10 GPL, 10 grams of SO2 present in 1 liter. It can kill 11 grams of chlorine of 1 MQ Lean Brine. So it is a good suggestion. It can reduce our preparation of SBS and sodium sulfide solution and manpower, and it will minimize the manpower. Also there is some difficulty to transporting, and we can use this SO2 for Lean Brine to removal of chlorine in Lean Brine. Okay. Now it is now we will find HCl concentration at a different temperature. Generally in chloralkali plants we are facing some difficulties to find out concentration of HCl at different temperature. So it is a good formula to find out the concentration of HCl at a different temperature. If you know particular temperature, the density of the HCl against temperature, if you know density, then you can easily find out the concentration of the HCl. So it is, suppose it is 25 degree, 40 degree, 45 degree or 50 degree. Now this formula is specific gravity plus the temperature of the HCl minus 30 degree into 0.00065 minus 0.9933 equal to percentage. You see, by hydrometer we can find out specific gravity and temperature, and you put this formula at a different temperature, you will get a percentage of the HCl in particular temperature. One. Second, we can easily find out the GPL of the brine. How GPL of the NaCl GPL of the brine in our brine section. Suppose say the temperature of the GPL, sodium chloride NaCl brine, say it is 50 degree centigrade against 1.182 density. So how can we can find out the GPL of the brine without reference of the chart? It is a formula. It is a temperature into 0.9 plus 273. It is one part. Minus in place of point we will take full digits 1191 minus 1182. Here this point you will not count it, and into 1.75. It is GPL of the brine. Say here it is 82.9 plus 273. It gives 58 into 0.9 plus 273. It is 325. This value is 325. And come here, this is 1191. It is a reference substitute gravity minus 1182. 9 into 1.75. It is 15.75. This value you see here, minus 325. 309 is the GPL of the brine. You can find out without reference of the chart. This formula you can use. This 1.75 is Rg constant. It is Rg constant. So it is the good formula for find out the GPL of the brine without reference. It is a good formula to find out the percentages of the HCl at a different temperature. But we have to first we will take density and temperature, then we can calculate to get this. For example, at 30 degree, say it is 30 degree, it is density is 1.1533 at a 30 degree. But we do not know about what is the percentage. So here you make it minus 0.9933. Then you will get 1.1533 minus 0.9933. It is 0.16 into 200 you will get 3200 percentage at a 30 degree temperature. If we know density and temperature, easily we can find out percentages of the HCl at a different temperature. Okay, namaskar.